Many scholars debate the true habitat of the Mad Hatter. Seen mostly in Madison, it was assumed to be their permanent home, but new sightings in areas as far north as Rhinelander, Wisconsin, and as far east as Washington, D.C., suggest the Mad Hatter may actually be semi-nomadic. Despite this, the Mad Hatter appears to spend much of the year in its presumed nesting grounds, the George L. Moss Humanities Building. After a long winter, the Mad Hatter emerges to shed his outer coat. A curious animal. It's not uncommon to see them getting into some Mad Hatter mischief. The Mad Hatter rarely leaves the nest, venturing out only to find food, sing at gigs, and on very rare occasions, to mate. The Mad Hatter mating ritual is a testament to subtlety and understatement. Their method is often too subtle. But look! It appears the female has stopped to listen. The Hatters will now take turns trying to impress her, leading to deep competition within the pack. Alas, it appears the female has lost interest, and today, disappointment will be their only companion. Such is life in the wild. But these Mad Hatters will live to sing another day.